Good morning students. Today we will study subject maths chapter fraction chapter number 4. We are on fourth part of this chapter. Yes students, let's start exercise 7.5. First questions. Write these fractions appropriately as addition or subtraction. Here first figure is given. It divided in 5 equal parts. See 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 equal part. One part is shaded, so our fraction is 1 upon 5. Second figure, 2 parts are shaded, so fraction is 2 upon 5. And here is answer is given. Here is 3 parts equal to, it means these two answer is given is equal to 3 upon 5. 3 boxes are shaded, so 3 upon 5 is our fraction. So इसमें हमारा क्या होगा, एडिशन या सब्ट्रैक्शन. यू सी हियर इज 1 एंड हियर इज 2 parts are shaded. It means total is 3 parts are shaded. It means it is a addition. So as a addition, 1 upon 5 plus 2 upon 5 is equal to 3 upon 5. Because here is both denominator same. दोनों सेम है तो कुछ भी एलसीएम या कुछ भी लेने की जरूरत नहीं है. जस्ट यू एड 1 plus 2 is equal to 3/5. Then here B1, you see here is one circle divide into 5 equal part and all part are shaded. So 5 upon 5 is fraction. Second is you see 1, 2 and 3 parts are shaded. So fraction is 3 upon 5 and equal to, it means total answer is equal to 2 upon 5. 2 parts are shaded. So 2 upon 5. It means 5 minus 3. It means 2. So it is a subtraction. Therefore, as a subtractions, 5 upon 5 minus 3 upon 5 is equal to 2 upon 5. Then you see, here is C1. Here is 6 objects are in one rectangle box. 2 are shaded. So our fraction is 2 upon 6. Second one is 3 are shaded, so 3 upon 6. And answer is, you see here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 are shaded. So fraction is 5 upon 6. It means addition. So as a addition, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. And here denominators are same. So just simply plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 upon 6 is our answer. Question number 2, solve. Here 1 upon 18 plus 1 upon 18. Here you see in middle is plus sign, so it is addition. Here both denominator is same, 18, 18. So simple plus 1 upon 18. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 upon 18. And 2 and 18, 2 ones are 2, 2 nines are 18 is equal to 1 upon 9 is our answer. Here you see 1 minus 2 by 3. Into bracket is given 1 is equal to 3 upon 3. 3 upon 3 means 1. You see here I explain you 3 upon 3. 3 ones are 3. It means 1. Suppose you write 4 ones are 4 is equal to also 1. So same denominator and same numerator. It means answer is 1. Then you see miss y हमने 3 ही क्यों लिया? Why we keep here 3 upon 3, why 4 not? But here you see, here is our denominator is 3. So we want in upon fraction, it means denominator is 3. So we write here 3 upon 3 क्योंकि इधर 3 है इसलिए हमने इधर 3 upon 3 लिया है. So 3 upon 3 minus 2 upon 3. So you see it is simple, both denominator same. So 3 minus 2 is equal to 1/3 is our answer. Then here you see 1 upon 4 plus 0 upon 4. Both same. So 1 plus 0 or 0 plus 1. No difference. आप कैसे भी कर सकते हो. So here 0 plus 1 upon 4 is equal to 1 upon 4 is our answer. Okay. Here you see 3 minus 12 upon 5. 3 के नीचे कुछ भी नहीं है. Then we write there 1. Okay. So 5 is our LCM. यहाँ तो 5 है ही तो इधर मल्टीप्लाई हमको किससे करना पड़ेगा? 5 से. So here you see 3 upon we multiply 5/5, सो 3/5 इंटू 5 माइनस 12/5, यहाँ तो ऑलरेडी है ही, तो हमें मल्टीप्लाई करने की जरूरत नहीं है, करना हो तो 1/1. ओके, देन 15, 5 3 is 15/5, 12 into 1 is means 12, 12/5. 15 minus 12 is equal to 3/5 is our answer, and here you see it is in proper fraction, so we cannot change into mixed fraction. Okay, now question number 4. Fill in the missing fraction. जहाँ missing fraction है वो हमें भरना है. Here is one rectangle box is given. Here you see 7/10 minus box is equal to 3/10. Here is box is sign is minus, so I shift box here to in, it means right side, लेफ्ट साइड टू राइट साइड, मतलब हम लेफ्ट में से उसे राइट में लेके जाएंगे तो उसकी साइन चेंज हो जाएगी. सी हियर इज बॉक्स, सो आई शिफ्ट बॉक्स फ्रॉम हियर. मैं इधर से बॉक्स को शिफ्ट कर दूंगी तो ये माइनस है तो क्या हो जाएगा, इक्वल टू के इस साइड प्लस हो जाएगा. और ये जो 3/10 है इसको भी शिफ्ट कर दूंगी तो प्लस है तो क्या हो जाएगा, माइनस. सो हियर 7/10 माइनस, आई शिफ्ट दिस, so here is plus, then in this side is minus. 3/10 is equal to box. Box की भी साइन देखो चेंज हो गई. Then here both same, so we write here 7 minus 3 is equal to 4/10 is our answer. अगर आप reduce करके भी लिखेंगे then also write 2 2s and 2 5s 2/5 और 4/10. आप कुछ भी लिख सकते हो, बट इन योर टेक्स्ट बुक आंसर इज गिवन 4/10. ओके, नाउ हियर सेकंड वन यू सी बॉक्स इज हियर minus 3/21 is equal to box here minus 3/21 is equal to 5/21. ठीक है, बॉक्स के साइड कोई भी साइन नहीं है तो वी कैन नॉट चेंज बॉक्स प्लेस, हम बॉक्स की प्लेस चेंज नहीं कर सकते. सो हियर इज माइनस 3/21. अब इसके सामने माइनस की साइन है, सो आई शिफ्ट 3/21 राइट टू लेफ्ट. मैं लेफ्ट साइड उसे चेंज कर दूंगी, देन इस साइन विल बी चेंज, उसकी साइन क्या होगी, चेंज हो जाएगी. सो हियर इज 5/21, इसकी साइन चेंज हो गई, हम इस साइड लिख दिया प्लस 3/21. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8/21. थर्ड वन, वन बॉक्स माइनस 3/6. यहाँ भी बॉक्स आगे है, इसको चेंज कर देंगे. सो बॉक्स यहाँ पे सेम टू सेम प्लेस पे इसको चेंज कर दिया, इस साइड चला गया. 3/6 प्लस 3/6, 3 plus 3 6, 6/6 is our answer. So we write here 6/6 and here 8/21. Okay, then fourth one, see box here plus 5/27 is equal to 12/27. इसको यहाँ से शिफ्ट कर दूंगी तो बॉक्स की वैल्यू मिल जाएगी. सो बॉक्स इज इक्वल टू ये वही का वही 12/27, इसको शिफ्ट किया 5/27 को प्लस है तो इस साइड किया तो क्या हो गया, माइनस 5/27. सो 12 minus 5 is equal to 7/27. So answer is 7/27. It's our answer. See here, Javed was, question number 5 is the problem sum. Javed was given 5/7 of a basket of oranges. What fractions of oranges was left in the basket? Left पूछा है, it means minus. अब उसके पास बास्केट की कितनी, एक वन फुल इट मीन्स एक बास्केट उसके पास है, उसमें से 5/7 ऑफ द बास्केट वॉज ऑरेंजेस. उसमें 5/7 पार्ट में ऑरेंजेस भरी हुई है, इट इज फुल ऑफ ऑरेंजेस. सो वी राइट आंसर लाइक दिस, फुल बास्केट ऑफ ऑरेंजेस इज इक्वल टू 1. 1 को हम लिख सकते हैं 7/7 भी, बिकॉज अब आप बोलोगे 7/7 में इधर क्यों लिया, बिकॉज हियर आवर फ्रैक्शन इज 5/7 और 7 हमारा क्या है, डिनोमिनेटर है. सो हम डिनोमिनेटर वाला नंबर ही 1 को कंसिडर करेंगे. सो 7/7 इज इक्वल टू 1 होता है. देयरफॉर द फ्रैक्शन ऑफ ऑरेंजेस विच वॉज लेफ्ट वॉज, मतलब कितनी बाकी रहेगी, तो एक में से हमने इतनी भर ली, तो 1 माइनस हियर इज 7/7, इट मीन्स 1. So 7/7 minus 5/7 is equal to 2/7. So 2/7 of the oranges were left in the basket is our answer. Yes, exercise 7.6. Here is solve. Question number 1. 2/3 plus 1/7. Here you see 3 and 7 both are prime number. So its LCMs we have find, just simply multiply 7 3s are 21. So we write LCM is equal to 21. Here is 2/3. So we multiply by 7 is equal to 14/21, and here is 1/7. So multiply by 3, 3/21. See here both denominators same, then we add it. 14/21 plus 3/21 is equal to 17/21. It's our answer. Here you see here denominator is bigger than numerator, so it is a proper fraction. Now second one you see 3/10 and 7/15. Here both are not a prime number, so we find LCM 10 and 15. 2 5s are 15s are, then 3s are 5s are, then 5 1s are 5 3s are 15, 15 2s are 30. So LCM is equal to 30. Then 10/3/10. Then I multiply by 3. 9/30. Second is 7/50 is equal to 14/30. Then we add 9/30 plus 14/30. Its answer is 23/30. It's our answer. See here also denominator is bigger than numerator, so it is a proper fraction. So we cannot change it in mixed fraction. Now 3/4 and minus 1/3. Here you see one fraction is prime number, so we don't need to find LCM, just we find simply multiply 3 4s are 12. It's our LCM, so we write LCM is equal to 12. Okay, then here is 3/4. किससे मल्टीप्लाई करूं तो 12 आ जाएगा, so 9/12. 4 3s are 12. Second is 1/3 into here is 4, so 4/12. So 9/12 minus 4/12 is equal to 5/12. See this also a proper. See here fourth one, 2/3 plus 3/4 plus 1/2. Here 3 fractions. So first 3 4 and 2 we find LCM. 3 4 and 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. 3 से divide नहीं होगा, so 3 same to same. Then 2 2 1s are here and 3 same to same. 3 1s are 3. Then LCM is equal to 12. So first fraction is 2/3. तो किससे मल्टीप्लाई करूं, 12 आ जाए, so 4. 3 4s are 12, 2 4s are 8, 8/12. 3/4 into 3/3, 4 3s are 12, 3 3s are 9, 9/12. 1/2 into 6/6 is equal to 6/12. Okay, and then here 8/12 plus 9/12 plus 6/12. 8 plus 9 is 17. 17 plus 6 is equal to 23/12. 23/12. Here you see 12 is smaller than numerator, so we can change this fraction into mixed fractions by division. Then we find here one integer 11/12. See here, mixed fraction is given 1 integer 1 by 3 plus 3 integer 2 by 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 plus 1 here is 4 by 3. 3 threes are 9. 9 plus 2 is 11 by 3. Here you see both denominators same. So just we plus 11 plus 4 is equal to 15 by 3. Here is 15 and here is 3. 3 के टेबल में 15 आता है. So it is reducible. So 3 ones are and 5 are. Answer is 5. Okay. Then here 3 fours are 12. These are also mixed fraction. 3 fours are 12. 12 plus 2 14 by 3. 3 fours are 12. 12 plus 1 here is 13 by 4. Here see 1 is our prime number 3 and 4. So we multiply and find LCM. 3 fours are 12. So LCM is equal to 12. So 14 by 3 multiply by 4. 14 fours are 56 upon 12. Then 13 upon 4 multiply by 3. 39 upon 12. So here 56 plus upon 12 plus 39 upon 12. So 9 and 6 15. 1 carry 6 and 9 95 upon 12. So we change into mixed fraction. Here 12 8s are 96. So here is 7 integer. It's 12 7s are 84. 6 and 5 is 11. So 7 integer 11 upon 12 is our answer. Question number 2. Sarita bought 2 upon 5 meter of ribbon and Lalita 3 upon 4 meter of ribbon. What is the total length of the ribbon they bought? Here Sarita and Lalita bought ribbon. Sarita 2.5 meter and Lalita 3.3 upon 4 meter. It means two fractions 2 by 5 and 3 by 4. And here say total. Total means plus. So we write answer like this. Sarita bought 2 upon 5 meter of ribbon. Lalita bought 3 upon 4 meter of ribbon. The total length of the ribbon they bought 2 upon 5 plus 3 upon 4. Here you see 5 is a prime number. So we don't need to find LCM. Just we multiply and write LCM. 5 fours are 20. So LCM is 20. First fraction is 2 by 5. Okay. अब इसमें मैं कैसे मल्टीप्लाई करूं तो 20 आ जाए. It is simple. 4. It is 8 upon 20. Then 3 by 4. इससे मल्टीप्लाई करूं 5 upon 5. 3 5s are 15 upon 20. Then add. Here see both denominator same. So 8 upon 20 plus 15 upon 20 is equal to 23 upon 20. See, this fraction is the improper fractions because here you see denominator is smaller and numerator is bigger. So it is improper fraction. So we can change it in mixed fraction by division method. 20 ones are 20 and here is 3. If you want to find in this way 20 ones are 20 and 3 is remainder. Remainder we write here. Full we write inside and divider is 20. So 21 integer 3 upon 20. So total length of ribbon is equal to 3. 1 integer 3 upon 20. So last statement is, so the total length of the ribbon is 1 integer 3 upon 20 meter. Then question number here is third one. Naina was given one integer 1/2 piece of cake and Najma was given one integer 1/3 piece of the cake. Find the total amount of cake given to both of them. हमको दोनों का टोटल बोला है तो प्लस करना है. So answer is Naina was given one integer 1/2 of the cake. Najma was given one integer 1/3 of the cake. Therefore, total cake given to them one integer 1/2 plus one integer 1/3. Here is mixed fraction. So first we convert into simple fraction. 2 ones are 2. 2 plus 1 is 3/2. 3 ones are 3 plus 1 is equal to 4/3. Here you see 3 is a prime number, 2 also prime number. So we find LCM just by multiplication. 3 2s are 6. So LCM is equal to 6. Okay. Then here 3/2. अब इसको मैं किससे multiply करूं? Question number 5. Complete the additional and subtraction box. See here is box is given 2/3 and 4/3. And here is sign is plus. मतलब हम इस रो को हमें प्लस करना है और इस रो को हमें माइनस करना है. So here you see both denominator same. So 4 plus 2 is equal to 6/3. Okay. And here you see in this row also 1 and 2 and here 3 and 3. It means denominator same. So plus numerator 1 plus 2 is equal to 3/3. Okay. Now in this row is minus. Okay. Here is 2/3 and 1/3. Both denominator 3 3. So 2 minus 1 is equal to 1/3. Here you see denominator same. So 4 minus 2 is equal to 2/3. Here also denominator same. And in this row is minus. So 6 minus 3 is equal to 3/3. It means 1. You may write also 1. That also correct. Okay. See second one box here 1/2 and here 1/3. Okay. Here you see both are prime number. And here denominator and numerator both are different. So 3 2s are 6. So we find LCM. LCM is equal to 6. First is 1/2. 3/3. This means 3/6. 1/3 multiply by 2. It means 2/6. Here you see both 3/2 plus 2/6 is equal to 5/6. So here is 5/6. Here 3 and 4. It means 3 is a prime number. So LCM is 3 4s are 12. LCM is equal to 12. So 1/3 plus 1/4. You see here 4 and here 3/12 is equal to 7/12. So here is 7/12. Okay. Then here subtract. Here also subtract. In here you 1/2 and here is 1/3. So LCM is same 6. Okay. So here is just we subtract 3/6 minus 2/6 is equal to 1/6. So here is 1/6. Here 3 and 4. 12 LCM. And here also 12 same. So इधर हमने प्लस किया था, इधर हम क्या करेंगे माइनस. Here 4/12 minus 3/12 is equal to 1/12. So I keep here 1/12. Then 5/6 and 7/12. And this side is minus. So LCM is equal to 6 और 12 का LCM निकाल लेंगे. 2 3s are 6 are. Then LCM is equal to 12. So first number is 5/6. 2 minus 7/12 is already, so 1/1. So 5 2s are 10/6 minus here is 12. So 10 minus 7 is equal to 10 minus 7 is equal to 3/12. It's your answer. Otherwise 3 1s are and 4s are is equal to 1/4. So we keep here 1/4. See question number 6. A piece of wire 7/8 meter long broke into 2 pieces. One piece was 1/4 meter long. How long was the other piece? मतलब एक बड़ा पीस है वायर का, उसमें उसका लेंथ है 7/8 मीटर. उसमें से एक पीस ब्रेक कर देते हैं, तोड़ देते हैं. इट्स लेंथ इज 1/4 मीटर लॉन्ग. तो दूसरा मीन्स द सेकंड, व्हाट इज द लेंथ ऑफ सेकंड पीस? सो वी फाइंड आंसर इन सच वे. Length of the whole wire is equal to 7/8 meter. One of the two pieces, दो पीस में से एक की लेंथ कितनी है? 1/4 मीटर. Therefore the other pieces, दूसरे की कितनी होगी? टोटल लेंथ में से इस लेंथ को हम माइनस कर दें. Then we will get other length of other piece. So 7/8 minus 1/4 meter. Then we find LCM. Here is 8 and here is 4. So LCM of 4 and 8, here you see 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are, it means LCM is equal to 8. Then our first number is 7/8. So I multiply 1. 1/4, 2s are 8. So 7/8 minus 2/8, it means 5/8. It's our answer. So length of the other piece was 5/8 meter. Question number 7. Nandini's house is 9/10 kilometer from her school. She walked some distance and then took a bus. वो कुछ चलती है डिस्टेंस और उसके बाद वो बस पकड़ती है. बस for 1/2 kilometer to reach the school. How far did she walk? वो उसने कितना वॉक किया? So answer is the total distance from Nandini's house to her school is equal to 9/10 kilometer. Okay, the distance covered by bus is equal to 1/2 kilometer. Therefore, the distance she walked, अब उसने कितना वॉक किया? So we write 9/10 minus 1/2 kilometer. Here is 9/10 and 2 is the prime number. So our LCM is here 10. आप निकालोगे इसका LCM 10 निकलेगा. Then 9/10 minus 1/2 is equal to 9/10 1/1 minus 1/2 into 5/5. It means हम इसको 5 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे तो 5 2s are 10. So 9/10 minus 5/10 is equal to 4/10. 4 है और 10 है, 2 का टेबल, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10 is equal to 2/5. So Nandini walked 2/5 kilometer. It's our answer. Here see question number 8. Asha and Samuel have bookshelf of the same size, partly filled with book. Asha's shelf is 5/6 full and Samuel's shelf is 2/5 full. Whose bookshelf is the more full? दोनों में से किसका ज्यादा full है? By what fraction? और उसका fraction क्या है? So we find answer in such way. just we write first statement. Asha's self is 5/6 full. Samuel's self is 2/5 full. For comparing, अब किसका ज्यादा है तो कंपेयर करना है 5/6 एंड 2/5. तो मैंने आपको पहले बताया था बाय क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन से भी हम कर सकते हैं, अदरवाइज एलसीएम लेके भी हम फाइंड कर सकते हैं. दे आर 2 मेथड्स फॉर कंपेयरिंग 5/6 एंड 2/5. तो मैंने क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई इजी लग रहा है, हमने आई डू विथ क्रॉस में फाइंडिंग द क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशंस. हम क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करें तो 5 5 25 and 6 2 12. So here is and 6 5 30. So 25/30 and 12/30. अब 20 तो कौन सा बड़ा हुआ 25/30. So 25/30 is greater than 12/30. अब ये 5/6 था, वो किसके साथ करस्पॉन्डिंग था? आशा के साथ. Therefore Asha's self is more full. Okay, now let's find out by how much Asha's self is more full by fraction. अब कितना फ्रैक्शंस ज्यादा है तो हम क्या करेंगे? माइनस. सो 25/30 माइनस 12/30 इज इक्वल टू 13/30. इतना ज्यादा भरा हुआ है आशा का सेल्फ. So our last statement so Asha's self is more full by the fraction 13/30. It's our answer. Question number 9. Javed takes 2 integer 1/5 minutes to walk. से walk करता है तो उसे 2 integer 1/5 minutes लगते हैं. Across the school ground, Rahul takes 7/4 minutes to do the same. Who takes less time and by what fraction? किसको कम टाइम लगता है वॉक करने में और उसका फ्रैक्शन क्या है, ये हमें फाइंड करना है. सो आवर आंसर इज Javed takes 2 integer 1/5 minutes to walk across the school ground. Rahul takes 7/4 minutes to walk across the school ground. अब हमें किसको कितना ज्यादा टाइम लगता है वो हमें ज्यादा नहीं फाइंड करना है, इसमें हमें फाइंड करना है who takes less time, किसको कम टाइम लगता है. तो हम दोनों को कंपेयर कर देंगे. For comparing 2 integer 1/5 and 7/4. Here is mixed fractions is given, so I convert into simple fractions. 5 2 is 10, 10 plus 1 is equal to 11/5. So finding cross multiplications, its answer is 11/5 and 7/4. Okay, so 11 4s are 44 and 7 5s is 35. Okay, so here you see 44 is a bigger one and it means 11/5 is a greater than 7/4. This means 11/5 is corresponding with Javed. तो ये बड़ा हुआ तो कम किसका हुआ? इट्स कम. इधर हमको आंसर में हमें फाइंड करना है. Here we have to find takes less time, मतलब कम किसका है, मतलब छोटा फ्रैक्शन फाइंड करना है. दिस वन इज द ग्रेटर, देन स्मॉलर इज 7/4. सो राहुल, इट मीन्स क्या आंसर हुआ? दिस मीन्स राहुल टेक्स लेस टाइम टू वॉक अक्रॉस द स्कूल ग्राउंड. लेट्स फाइंड आउट बाय व्हाट फ्रैक्शन डज राहुल टेक्स लेस टाइम. कितना उसने कम टाइम लिया है, कौन से फ्रैक्शन में? सो हियर फर्स्ट 44/20 minus 35/20. So 44 minus 35 is equal to 9/20. So here answer is final statement. So Rahul takes 9/20 minutes less.